the S&P 500 and Nasdaq extended their streaks of record high closes, buoyed by gains in chip makers Nvidia stock and U.S. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments signaling potential interest rate cuts pending further economic data. The Dow slipped slightly while the S&P 500 notched up its fifth consecutive record close, while the Nasdaq posted its sixth. This Reuters report gets you a lowdown on all the action in the U.S. markets.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq continued their streaks of record high closes on Tuesday, fueled by gains in Nvidia, and after U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell told lawmakers that more good economic data would strengthen the case for rate cuts. The Dow dipped more than 0.1%, the S&P 500 edged up for its fifth straight record close, and the Nasdaq pushed higher for its sixth straight. In testimony before Congress, Powell said that while inflation remains above the 2% soft landing target, it has been improving in recent months, and more good data would strengthen the case for interest rate cuts. Sam Stovall is chief investment strategist at CFRA Research.
He didn't say in July, he didn't say September or December, but in response, the CME Fed Watch tool now shows a 73% likelihood of a rate cut in September.
Those bets were at under 50% a month ago. Inflation data is also due this week, including Thursday's Consumer Price Index and the Producer Price Index reading on Friday. AI chipmaker Nvidia again powered the gains, climbing 2.5% and offsetting declines in other chip stocks. Microsoft dipped 1.4%, while Tesla added 3.7%, bringing its gain in 2024 to 5%. Shares of JP Morgan and Wells Fargo climbed over 1%, and Citi rose 2.8%. The three banks will release quarterly results on Friday, marking the start of second quarter earnings season.